Okay, so if you stick with me for the next about 20 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to create a completely free website using AI in about maybe 20 minutes. In a dummy-proof way that you don't need to know anything. I'm literally gonna spell everything for you. Those are two examples of websites that are working right now and I created with AI. And I created both of those in about 20 minutes in total. But anyway, let's go to the video. Let's start. So first things first, we're gonna grab the prompt, I'm gonna copy it, and then go to basically your favorite AI. Might be Claude, might be ChatGPT. I prefer Claude, to be honest. We're gonna paste it, click enter, and then what's gonna happen is going to ask us a couple of questions that we need to answer, and it's going to help us create a prompt. As you can see, the first question is like, what type of website are you building? Let's say I want to build company website. So now the second question, tell them about your business or project. What do you do? What's your service, product, or offer? Let's say, I don't know. I have an HVAC company. The name of the company is HVAC Masters. We offer 24 service. We offer heating, isolation, and whatever HVAC company else offer. We offer 24/7 service and emergency repairs. By the way, I'm using Whisper to speak. Your company mission or value proposition. We want to make the world a greener and better place. Bullshit. Anyway, details about my business, that's enough. Of course, when you do it, you can actually put way more details. My target audience is homeowners and new businesses. We operate in the region of South Holland, and let's see. And the primary action that I want my visitors to take is to call for a service or book an emergency repair. Okay. What are the main pages for the HVAC company? Okay. I want them all. So I want professional yet modern and minimalistic look. And of course, eco-friendly and kind of green. Sure. Tones or specific shades you like. No, surprise me. Of course, when you build a website, you're gonna add your preference here. Website that I admire. Let's see. HVAC. Let's see the first. No. Okay. Are all HVAC websites shit, man? Okay, let's say I like this one. I'm just gonna paste here. Might take a minute. Oh, never mind. Professional problematic solution. Do you need any specific features? Yeah, I need the contact form. Click the call button and let's see, testimonials and also frequently asked questions. All right, this might take a minute, so I'm gonna stop the video here and let's see. So it started writing. Seems like it got the branding. We need to see what the result's gonna be. That's a long ass prompt. But of course, when you do it, you want as many details as possible. So one hack that you can use is when it's done, you can ask it something like, do you have any questions for me, or are there any details that you need, or something like that. And then if it needs more details, it's going to ask you. All right, so it came with this big ass prompt. I'm just gonna copy at the end. And now what we're gonna use is Lobo, and also we're gonna use Google AI Studio. We already copied the prompt, just gonna paste it here. Gonna click build. And then I'm gonna do the same on Lobo. Go to Lobo, paste the prompt, click on start, and go grab a coffee. I started Google a bit earlier, but it seems already on the right track. And Lobo is just starting. Okay, let's come back in a minute. Okay, I think we're almost there, at least on Google. And Lobo right now is generating the homepage, so it's not as far as Google. Seems like Google is a bit further. Okay, it's almost done. I'm not sure why it has a dog here, but I guess we can change the image. Other than that, it got the eco-friendliness as well, 24/7, technicians. I mean, all in all, seems quite alright. I'm kind of afraid to check the pages. Well, that's the first, let's see, maybe that's mine. Let me check. Let's see if I go full screen. Nope. Deploy. Now, let's say all the pages besides the home page don't work. fix it. Let's go to Lobo. Lobo is still working on it. It seems like we're using a Gemini 2.5 Pro. And Lobo, I'm not sure what we're using. If you just want a landing page going more than alright, because it's not gonna have to click anything. Let's check the telephone. Oh, it's actually working. Nice. This one seems like it's working. The about, not really. Service, no. This one. Oh, maybe it's this bar. Okay. The phone, bro. Let's give it some time and check Lobo. Okay, this one is still working on it. Hopefully there are no bugs when I don't think that's gonna happen. Let's give it a minute. So this one is done working. And now it's fixed. To be honest, I don't like the core schemes here, but well, now we have a website. And if you want to proceed to actually deploy it somewhere, we have a couple of options. We can just deploy the app. You can create a project, demo website, and must enable billing, free trial. Okay, I guess I have too many projects. Anyway, there's a secondary way how to actually do this one. But let's check Lobo. Never mind. So the other way how you can deploy your website completely for free is save it to GitHub. Make a new copy prompt. All right, let's send it to GitHub. Then we're gonna make it private. The repository is going to be demo website. Never mind. Logo maybe is going to be ready soon. So it's done, but I don't have any more credits. So Google is well, easier to use, I guess. Even though this one looks much better, to be honest, or at least much more modern, and the pages actually work. And there's even a picture which seems AI generated, but it's good enough. Anyway, let's finish the Google Studio, commit all changes, and in the meantime, we can also publish this one from here. We can have, well, we're gonna use this domain. Basically, if I go to this domain, I'm gonna see the page in, well, 1 second. Let's see. Okay. So on this website is working. If I want to make some small changes, let's say, I don't know, Visual Editor, I know I want to change this one to our core mission for some reason. Even though it doesn't make sense, but anyway, you can just change the mission, save it, which might take a second. And then eventually, when I publish it, you should be able to see it here. Where was that? It was about us, right? Yeah, it was the about us section. See if we refresh. No, it's a mission. The thing is, if you want to publish it and then add your custom domain, you need to pay $25 per month, which if it's just like a normal website, you don't really want to do that. If you're not going to change anymore, if you're not going to build anything else. So the easiest way I know to actually go around that is to connect to GitHub again. So basically you're here, then this one is going to be turned off. You need to turn it on and continue, connect, is correct. And now you can go to GitHub and basically see this project. Also, if I go to my repositories, should be able to see the demo video here. So we have both of them updated here. And now let's say that I want to publish them somewhere, right? The easiest way is to just go to Vercel. I'm gonna go to Vercel. I'm already logged in. So I'm gonna click on add new project. Here I'm gonna see all my projects. I'm going to use the one from Google first. I'm gonna import it, click on deploy, and this might take a second. You can check the details here. Great, seems like it's done. We can continue to dashboard. And then if we click on this website, on this link here, we're gonna see the website actually being online. The thing is, if you're actually going to use this for your professional website, you don't really want this domain. So what we can do is we just go to Vercel again. We can click on settings and then domain. And here we can actually add a custom domain. So we're gonna add one. Or if you don't have one, you can actually buy one from here. Let's say HVAC something, HVACrotterdam.org. Actually, is there something for like 99 cents? Let's see. If you want, you can buy one from here. It's more convenient. Or if you already have the domain, you can just go back to dashboard, add a domain, and here's going to ask you to add a domain. So let me find something that I have on Gore, for example. You can get HVAC Hub Rotterdam for 0.5 cents for the first year, or some other cheap domain, well, for cheap. But anyway, I'm gonna use some domain I already have that's going to expire soon. Great, so I found this domain is going to expire soon. I'm just gonna go to the DNS settings. And by the way, the setup is basically the same for all the platforms. Doesn't matter if you buy it from GoDaddy, Squarespace, Namecheap, or wherever you want to buy it from. And why don't you just help me with the DNS settings? I'm gonna click on add record. I'm gonna go back to Vercel. I'm gonna copy the domain, paste it here. And now what I need to do is basically copy this. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna paste the value here, type it to like half an hour. The name was at and the type was A, I believe. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna add one more record, go here, copy this one. Now it needs to be a CNAME, and then paste the value here, type www, save all the records, and that should be it. And now what we need to do is we need to refresh it here. Keep in mind, it might take a minute, or it might take more than a minute. It seems like it's working. Let's see if we go to a new, oh, never mind. We're going to go to this, let's see, not yet. I'll come back in like 5 minutes. Okay, now as you can see, there are valid configurations. So when I refresh, I'm at this domain and everything is working. Okay. Now most probably if I do the request service right now, it's not gonna work, but I can show you how to do it on the next video. Most probably the request service not gonna work because there is no email connect right now and there is no database, but I'm gonna show you that in the next video. If you actually prefer the Lobo version, the setup is pretty much the same. You're just gonna go to Verso here again, gonna add a new project, and then choose the one from Verso. Basically follow the same steps and get the same result. But anyway, the prompt is here. If you want, you can just take a screenshot. Here's the whole prompt. Go to ChatGPT and basically send a picture and ask it to give it to you. Anyway, it's quite late for me, so bye. Cool, if you like this one, I'm gonna actually show you how to make those fields here functionable in the next video, and how to actually edit the site using GHL, Recent, and Anytime. So what's the next one?